Hi everyone, welcome to today's new releases. Today we actually have the coral and floral kit. So as you guys can see, it's a coral and blue kit, and I just wanted this kit to be kind of like more like serene. So here's a closer look at these boxes. I kind of did the full boxes like in pairs, so you kind of have like two of each color type of thing. And then we have like the middle one, which if you get the foiled version, these are actually foiled, and then you have like foil accents on the other one. But those are the full boxes here. And then we have your icon sheet with all of your icons, script stickers, and mini checklists, and a few of your sidebar stickers. And then you have your main like checklists. I like putting the designs on the back of these. I don't know if I've ever like mentioned that. So I do have a few of those with the design that match, and then a couple of plain ones, so you can always mix and match these in case you have any left over. And then lastly, for the essential kit, we actually have all of the functional like boxes. So you have all of your sidebar stickers, all of your half boxes and quarter boxes, and all of those as well. So I feel like I repeat myself every week, but you can get all of these a la carte as well in case you just want like one or two sheets. And then lastly, if you get the deluxe kit, it does come with these two sticker sheets right here. So this one is the washi sheet with the date headers, so you guys can see what that looks like. And there are other a la carte stickers in the shop. I just don't print them all out. I usually make all of these to order. But that one is the washi and date headers. And then we have all of your functional deco. So a whole bunch of stickers you can use to decorate or layer and things like that, like these flags and everything. Actually, there's actually two more pages. If you want them, they're only available a la carte. That has a whole bunch of items as well. I'll show you guys on the screen what I mean. All of these come a la carte, so there are 8 pages technically in total if you guys want any of these pages, but I just kind of show you guys the main popular pages that come in the kit. So that is all of the deluxe coral and floral kits. Stay tuned for next week's release next Friday, and I'll probably plan with me on Monday. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for all of these new videos that I'm doing and everything, and that is it. So talk to you guys later. Bye everyone.